The City of Eugene's park safety team has transformed the way the city cares for its over 4,800 acres of parks and natural areas. Formed in 2018, the team pioneered a unique three-legged stool model combining park maintenance staff, Eugene Police Park resource officers, and park ambassadors. Together, this team works to address illicit activity, provide cleanup, and help ensure parks remain safe and welcoming. Instead of relying on complaints, they use innovative GIS mapping to proactively patrol parks, track campsites, and direct resources where they're needed most. This approach has reduced service requests by over 40%, improved response times from days to hours, and removed 20 to 30 cubic yards of debris daily, all while protecting sensitive habitats. Their impact is lasting, restoring the north bank of the Willamette River, activating Skinner Butte Park for recreation, and earning strong community support, including levy funding. The park safety team is redefining public space management with innovation, compassion, and measurable results.